So everybody knows about mechanical keyboards. They are good for typing, clicky, tactile and so on. But they also have some heavy price tag. But today I'm gonna show you a mechanical keyboard that I bought only for 11 bucks. I'm Heather Ali from LogicBulb and this is an $11 mechanical keyboard and we're gonna talk about this after the intro. Before you run to get this keyboard, I must tell you it is not for everyone and I'm gonna tell you why in a bit. So first let's talk about how this keyboard looks. It's got that gaming look while the whole body is of plastic, but the quality is good. I've even dropped it a couple of times and it still is alive. It's got textured edges with some metallic bars. The top is of matte finish. It does not have RGB backlit, but you can choose between the blue or red model of the keyboard. I've got this blue backlit one whose intensity can be changed and you can have this dimming effect by pressing function plus light button. Now that's all for the design. Let's talk about the mechanical keys. The keyboard has clear keys which are not so clicky but are tactile and still are way better than a membrane keyboard. Now here's the audio for its clicky noise. Okay, you've heard the design and the keys, but the question is this keyboard for everyone? The answer is straight no. The keyboard feels and looks good, but when you type on it, you will have a weird feeling that your hand is not getting on the keys rightly. I don't know why this happens, but I think this is because of the key placements, as the keys are placed way flatly unlike other keyboards. So when you'll type on it, you'll definitely feel a difference as compared to other keyboards, but you might get over it after some time. So my evaluation is that if you don't have much money to buy a better keyboard, but you want to experience mechanical keys and really want it, then this is for you. But if you can buy a bit expensive one, then go for those. I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel, like this video and tell me which is your favorite mechanical keyboard. That's it for this one. See you next time. Adios.